Greetings, Part 3. On this particular slide, we're going to cover a different skill than the ones that were introduced in Part 1 and Part 2. So Part 1 was a greeting to say hello and to say goodbye. So on Part 2, we talked about how to introduce people to others. In this one, which is Part 3, we're going to talk about how do we ask for those people we're interested in knowing. So, on Dialogue E, it says, ¿Quién es? And she replies, Es Raúl. And then she argues, No, es Juan. So let's review these phrases again. ¿Quién es? Means, who is this? Es Raúl means it's Raúl. No es Juan. No is Juan. On Dialogue F, one friend is asking another about a girl in sight. And he says, ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Means, what's her name? And the friend replies, Se llama Ana. Her name is Ana. You can use any of these two sets of expressions on Dialogue E and F if you're interested in knowing somebody else's name and to see how they can introduce you to her. On G is to verify whether the name that you got is the correct one. And so it goes like this. Rosa. ¿Se llama Miguel? And then Esteban replies, Sí, se llama Miguel Luque. Usually, you would provide a little bit more information if you have it. So he says, yes, his name is Miguel Luque, adding his last name to it. You could have also had no, and perhaps say his name if you know if his name is any different. This concludes the slides for the greetings section of your first chapter, Para Empezar, of the book Auténtico.